Hello, today we will guide you through how to block someone on Meta Business Suite. If you need to prevent someone from continuing to message your business through Meta Business Suite, the process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll move through the inbox area, open the conversation you want to manage, and use the communication settings available for that contact. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your browser and make sure you're on the main dashboard for the correct business account. This is the central place where you manage messages, notifications, and activity across your connected Meta channels. Once the page is loaded, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. From that menu, click Inbox. This will take you to the section where all incoming conversations are collected. Depending on how active your account is, you may see messages from Facebook, Instagram, or other connected communication channels. The inbox is where you can review conversations and take actions on individual contacts. Next, choose the message thread for the person you want to block. In this example, you'll click on the sample message shown in the conversation list. Opening the message is important because the blocking option is tied to the individual conversation, not just the inbox overview. Once selected, the conversation should appear in the main viewing area so you can access more controls for that contact. Now move your attention to the top right corner of the conversation window and click the three-dot menu. This menu typically contains additional actions related to the conversation, including management and communication settings. If you don't immediately see it, make sure the message thread is fully selected and active. After opening that menu, click Stop Communication. This is the option used to block further communication from that person in Meta Business Suite. Once selected, Meta may apply the restriction immediately, helping you manage unwanted, inappropriate, or repetitive messages more effectively. As a helpful tip, before using this option, make sure you've selected the correct conversation, especially if you handle a high volume of messages. It's always a good idea to quickly confirm the profile or message thread so you don't block the wrong contact by mistake. And that's all it takes to block someone on Meta Business Suite. By going to the inbox, opening the conversation, selecting the three-dot menu, and choosing Stop Communication, you can quickly control who is able to interact with your business.